Okay, so I had a change of plans, right? Was at the mall. Nothing in the mall was really like popping, like at all. So I decided to hop online because I knew, well, really nobody in the mall had the Sabrinas and other than the kid size. So I decided to hop on Dick's Sporting Goods and see what they will have in stock. So we are pulling up at Dick's Sporting Goods right now, and we got the email confirmation to pick up. So we about to pick them joints up, man, and see what they do, dog. I'm interested in these. I like them. I really like them, but we gonna see what they look like in hand, man. See how they fit. Of course, you know we gonna put them through their paces here on the set. So, yeah, wish me luck. We gonna venture around these parts first, man. We can see if we can get a sneak peek at them and actually try them on. And yeah, then I head to the front and pick them joints up for pickup. So I straight up see them in the men's size now. Oh yeah. Yep. Go ahead to the front, man, and pick up mine. Boy, these got Kobe DNA all over these, bro. I mean, that sound kind of sus, but you know what I mean. These right here is clean, man. We gonna take them. We gonna go pick them up, see what they do. All right, so we're back in the lab now, man. Let's get these things unboxed. Okay, first impressions out the box. Yeah, they definitely resemble the Kobe 5s. I ain't gonna hold you on that one, but I guess everybody else is saying that. But if truth be told, every low cut basketball sneaker that is dropping anyway is gonna have those similar resemblance to the Kobe 5 or any other of the other Kobe lows. So, I mean, it's just fodder for the streets, I suppose. But we all know what Sabrina's relationship was with Kobe, and you can definitely see that in these sneakers. She's inspired by Kobe, like that was her mentor. So of course, whatever sneaker that she's dropping is gonna have some DNA from the Kobe line. So that's just the way it is. So upon trying these things on, man, they are surprisingly comfortable right out the box. The fit is snug but not tight, and I love the slightly higher ankle collar and the comfort that associated with that, which means I can wear these for extended periods of time. They do still give me a bit of the retro vibe. These are definitely going to be great for walking around at Disney all day long. Well, we're gonna put that to the test. Plus, I think they're gonna look amazing in the fall time in a pair of jeans, or yeah, shorts, because I live in Florida. So yeah, it's just gonna be shorts 100% of the time, I believe. But hey, that's what you get when you live down here, right? Okay, so the official colorway is cave purple, black raspberry, violet, frost, and white. Got some crazy colors on these, man. Now, I did go out searching for these, as you can see, and I was not disappointed when I actually got them back to the house, put them on feet, and yeah, got into the whole vibe. Now, I did go up on these because, like, with the similarities to Kobe, I kind of figured that I would need to go up to a size 13. Normally, I'm a size 12, and that didn't steer me wrong at all. So I could have possibly went down to a 12 and a half, but I think the 13 fits just right for what I wanted to do with this sneaker. Now, is this a new ushering in women's sneakers really transitioning over to the men's game? I don't know. I don't play basketball enough to know whether that is the case. Now, I know with the Sabrina 1, there's a lot of hoopers out there who actually wore that shoe too. So I'm thinking with the Sabrina 2 and the stellar quality on this shoe, maybe it may transcend. But I went to Dick's to pick these up. As you can see in the video, I went back to the back to see where they had these shoes placed. Now, they did have one Sabrina in the women's section, and they had a Sabrina in the men's section also, which I thought was very dope. But again, I don't really sneaker shop in the stores, especially not Dick's. I go to Dick's and I pick up and I get out. This time I actually went to the back, took a look at what they had, and of course they had the Sabrina's 1s, 2s on the men's side, and they had the Sabrina 1, 2s on the women's side, and the youth side. So, is this sneaker transcending? I think with the way it looks, it's definitely transcending. So, I'm looking forward to the other colorways. They have the conductor colorway, and hopefully, we see some mock-ups of some more Kobe-inspired Sabrina 2s coming out. Now, if they drop a Sabrina 2 in the Bruce Lee colorway, bruh, let me tell you, I'm gonna be the first one at the store to get them joints. I need that because I actually like this sneaker. I really like this sneaker a lot. Now, may have been some bias in there somewhere. But for the most part, it has held up to the hype that I built up for myself in my head, because I went in thinking I already liked this shoe just based on the images I seen. And at the price point, come on, bro, $130. Come on, man, it was an easy sale for me. It's lightweight, it's comfortable. Now that I actually leave the house to go to work, yeah, no dress code these days. Well, I mean, it is dress code, but yeah, for the most part, you can wear whatever kicks you want, and I am okay with that. So, to wrap it up, man, the Sabrina 2s definitely get the Money Mat stamp of approval for this kick. The details are insane on this sneaker. Yeah, ain't much really to say about these, bro. But if you're looking for a low-cut, lightweight basketball shoe with Zoom Air, Flywire, all that good tech that's in Nike basketball shoes, these are the ones to get, man. I'm your boy Money Mat, bro. I'm gonna get on out of here. Peace.